Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure root insurance driver score settings and app permissions easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Root Insurance app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to access the configuration options. Look for the driver score section within the settings menu. Select driver score to view the current scoring settings. Here, you will see options for adjusting your scoring parameters. To enable or disable specific features, simply toggle the corresponding switches. Next, scroll down to the App Permissions section. In this section, you will find a list of permissions the app requires. Review each permission carefully to understand its purpose. To modify a permission, tap on the corresponding toggle switch. If you see a permission that you prefer to restrict, toggle it off. Make sure to allow location services for accurate driving analysis. After adjusting your settings, return to the main settings menu. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Save button to ensure all changes are recorded. Exit the settings menu and return to the main dashboard. Your root insurance driver score settings and app permissions are now configured. Check back regularly to see how your adjustments impact your score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.